system against the small size UAVs. The principle of combat operating of the complex can gather the signals come from small size UAVs, telemetry, command signals, and GPS, Beidou, GLONASS navigation satellite system. So after complex gathered this system, they could detect the drone, the direction finding of the drone, and set up the gem against the common channels and satellite navigation channels of drones. And as a result, drones cannot penetrate into secured area and will be neutralized and cannot set up the combat tasks. So the distance of detection and identification of drones up to 25 kilometers. The distance of jamming, it's also up to 20 kilometers. There are two types of jamming. The first, in closest area at a distance up to 4 kilometers, system can create the invisible dome on secure area and will not allow it to penetrate any drones inside this invisible dome. So the second type of jammer, it's so-called a long-distance jammer at a distance up to 20 kilometers in sector for 40 degrees. System can also emit the jamming signal, and also with the possibility of cellular rotation. So complex is operating 360 degrees. So and there is also our new subsystems which was introduced and integrated at the system. It's a module which can provide for a repellent patrol system to detect, identify and track drones which is operated by 4G LTE signals. It's also next steps of developing the technologies of anti-drones. Repellent patrol complex can also operates on moving. So for protecting the special cargoes, protecting VIP person and troops on the march. So it can be integrated and transmit the information from each own command post into high-level command post in air defense. And the one of the option of the complex is also can be operated by the remote control units for secure the crew and operating and managing the complex from the schedule at a distance up to 100 meters from the complex. All types of existing or modern drones can be successfully detected and neutralized and cannot allow it to penetrate in secured area. So from the class of drones, of our targets class of drones, it's micro drones, mini drones, and small size. And quadrocopters, it's as a different types.